Today we are going to learn how to add a hyperlink to your text in a PowerPoint presentation using a series of simple actions. The process is straightforward and designed to help you quickly link your text to any website address of your choosing. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, take a moment to locate the presentation you want to work on. Whether you are updating a new presentation or revisiting an older project, make sure you have the file ready on your device and then open it so you can begin editing. Now that your presentation is open on the screen, find the slide that contains the text where you want to create a clickable link. It is important to ensure that the text to be linked stands out and is clear to your audience. Once you have located the specific slide and identified the text, use your mouse to highlight it. This simple action of clicking and dragging over the text indicates which words or phrases will become interactive within your presentation. Having selected the desired text, move your cursor to the area where you typically perform a right click. Upon right-clicking on the highlighted text, a context menu will appear with various options that allow you to make additional formatting or editing changes. In this menu, look carefully for an option that says Link. This option is key to connecting your selected text to a website address. When you see the option, click on Link to proceed with creating the hyperlink. After clicking Link, you will be prompted to enter the URL into a dialog box that appears on your screen. The URL is the web address you wish to link to from your presentation. Take care when typing in the URL to ensure that there are no extra spaces or errors, as even small mistakes could lead to a broken link when your audience clicks on it during a presentation. Double check the spelling and punctuation in your URL entry, as accuracy is crucial. Once you have typed in the correct URL, look for an option labeled OK and then click it to finalize the hyperlink. This step confirms the action so that your text is now linked, and anyone who views your presentation can access the website by clicking on the text during the slideshow. The process is now complete and your hyperlink will function as expected. With this simple method, you can enhance your PowerPoint presentations by seamlessly integrating online resources with your content. This way you can direct your audience to additional information, resources, or even multimedia content hosted on the web with just a few clicks. Mastering these steps adds a modern, interactive element to your slides, making your presentations more engaging and informative. Enjoy the ease of building interactive links and feel confident in using PowerPoint's hyperlink feature to elevate the quality of your work.